Alright, welcome to this tutorial. We're going to go over using G Plus or Google Plus to make business pages and setting up categories in these business pages. So, let's just get right to it. Alright, we're going to start by we're going to go to Google Plus. So that's the first thing we're going to do. And as you can see, we're going to log in, just click sign in, and then we're going to go to create a Google page. And we're going to create a business page. And we'll start by clicking local business page. And then we'll put in the information. So your phone number and your state or your country. And then we're going to put in some other information. Most of this is really simple stuff. You already know it. And then we're going to select a category. And we're going to go with professional services. And then you can just select who the content's going to be appropriate for. And we selected any Google user. I agree to pay the page's terms and services. And we're going to go to change profile picture. So we're going to select a profile picture off the computer. And then we're going to crop it. And what Google Pages does is it automatically crops it. So you might want to set it to a appropriate proportion. As you can see, the little square, it'll crop off the edge if you don't fix it. So make sure that it's perfectly square. And that's something to remember. Then we're going to go to Creative Kit. And you can select some stuff in here. The Creative Kit will add a little bit more formatting options and cropping options and what you can do with the exposure and color and sharpness and also resizing and stuff like that. But we don't really need to get into that. We're just going to crop it and set your profile photo. And then as you can see, we'll just go to continue. And ta-da! You can share your circles and tell other people about it. Or you can go to continue and just finish it. But now you have so many more options after you've made your pages. You can tell the world, connect to your websites. But we're just going to select making a new page, another new page. And with Google Pages, you can create a product or a brand, a local business, company, organization, or institution, or even do arts, entertainment, or sports. There are so many options to set up with your pages, but we're going to do product or brand on this one. And as you can see, we selected the Sony PlayStation 3, and we put in the website. And very simple, just PlayStation. And you're going to select a category. We selected product because it is a product. But you have so many options when it comes to category. You've got brand, product, service, and you've got all these other special selections. But we're just going to go with product or brand. But really, we're just going to go with product. So as you can see, we're back to that page where you can set your appropriation levels and stuff like that, what your content's appropriate for. And we're just going to go agree to terms and services and set up our image again. And you can also set up your tagline. As you can see, there's a tagline there. And we're just going to put in some random information because we're not really the Sony PlayStation 3 page, we're not the real Sony PlayStation 3 page, but this is how you would do it. Another interesting thing to note is that if you look up in the URL bar, you'll see that the pages are actually HTTPS, which is a secure form of the HTTP. So it's a little bit more secure than regular HTTP. But as you can see, we're back to the cropping options. And we're done. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Continue. And then you can tell your circles about the page, of course, but we're just going to finish. And look at that. You've got it. Now you know how to actually build pages and make business pages. All right. Thank you for watching and listening, and have a nice day. Alright, so we're doing a tutorial today on customizing and editing your page's profile, or your business page's profile. So we really need to get started here, and first we'll click here, see how you have you, and then you have your business page. So click the business page, Social Marketeers is ours, and as you can see there's really nothing in here. But we're going to go to customize our profile. So we need to go profile, we can go right here and edit profile. So we're going to edit our profile, and as you can see everything goes red. Now we can edit our name, Social Marketeers. We can add some photos here. We can do an introduction. We can change this. See? You can change your hours. And it gives you a setting to change your hours. You can change your website, contact information, and here, if you added a photo, let's add one. I just want to show you how this works. And I want to show you how you can delete photos as well inside of here. So we're just going to go in here and we're going to find a photo. So we're just going to add this. So here we have a photo, and we're going to, as you can see, if you click on this, it'll delete the photo. Are you sure you want to delete this photo? Yes. So we deleted a photo, we added a photo. Right here you can add recommended links, like in affiliates or contacts. And you can show what's in your circles, if we had anything in our circles, and you have your Google address right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to change our photo. This is your profile photo, not to be confused with your actual photos that you have. So we're going to select a photo and make sure that when you have a photo, you make sure that it is exactly 125 by 125 pixels. You can do that by taking it into any image editing software and making it 125 by 125. If you do that, you shouldn't have to resize too much. So this image is 125 by 125. So as you can see, we have some options here to turn your photo, and then we have some options to turn it right. And we have a creative kit, which allows us to actually edit the image within Google+. So we've got some advanced cropping options, and we have rotate, exposure. You can change the exposure of it, make it look snazzy. Colors, you can change the colors, the saturation, and the temperature. Maybe you want it to be something else. Maybe sharpen it. Maybe make it a little bit more crisp. Resize it. And you've got some effects you can apply. You can vandalize it, add some other interesting effects to it. And you can add text to it too, if you wanted to. And it's got all kinds of neat text effects and things you can apply in here. But we're not going to do any of that. We're just going to save the image. And set as profile picture. And you can add a comment about your photo. maybe we are the social marketeers. And you can add it as public, or maybe add some circles to it and then share it. So there we have it. We have our photo, and if you want to delete this photo, you just click on that X right there. That's all you have to do. We're going to delete this. And ta-da! That is all it really takes to edit your profile for your business pages. You also have some photo options here you can change. You can add circles, people who you can tag or that you would like to tag. You can also show your geological location on your photo. And in videos, you don't really have much to change. This will allow you to share change visibility options for your videos and for your photos. So that's basically what the Google Plus editing options have for you, and that's what you can do with them. And that's how you change your Google Plus your Google Plus business page. Alright, and that's all to this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.